There's some nice prayers in Prabodhananda Saraswati's book, Vrindavan Mahimamrita. Very important book. It's also available in Hindi and Bengali. In Vrindavan you can get. Maybe here, I don't know. Vrindavan Mahimamrita, Prabodhananda Saraswati. I think I put these in an article that go on the Facebook soon. I don't know, maybe next Monday or Tuesday or so. I'll just share them with you. Because he considers, he lived a long time in Vrindavan himself, Prabodhananda Saraswati, maybe 30, 40 years. His kutir was right next to the Yamuna, near Keshigat. Actually near Kaliyagat, at Kaliyagat, Kaliyarad, Kaliyadaha. Just there, Yamuna was just right there. And so he was taking darshan at Yamuna and bath in Yamuna every day. And writing wonderful books and deeply engaged in meditation and lilas smaran, Radharas Suranidhi, Chaitanya Chandramrita, Sangeet Madhav, Saranga, no, that was like that. Some other books maybe, I can't say. Vrindavan Mahimamrita, of course. So there he has nice prayers where he looks at, he considers, of course it's true because everything in the spiritual world is personal. Every single, what we call object, or vastu, or the water is personal, Yamuna Devi. The land is personal, Bhumi Devi. The air is personal, Vayodeva. The lightning bolts and rain clouds are personal, Indradev. The sun rays and heat and sunshine is personal, Suryadev. Every single thing. So the same thing as here, behind all the energy, behind all the Shakti is a personality. Shakti Shaktiman. So in the spiritual world, everything is actually transcendental and personal.